So in today's video, I am updating my head unit. What you're seeing here is the UA12S from Eonon, and I'm switching it to the all-new flagship UX6K-PRO-MAX. This new one runs on 8GB compared to the 6GB on the previous model, as well as updating the 64GB all the way up to 128. So let's go and show you guys what's in this box. Start off by removing my old head unit. It has these release clips on the back. I'm going to unplug the cable to it, and we will set aside our old head unit. Next step, I will remove my trim. And it looks like I will need to put the vehicle into neutral. To unplug. Next up, I will remove the screws holding in my old head unit. Next up, I will remove all the old cables. So with the old head unit out, I will grab the new one, and I will remove those screws on the back so I can unplug the screen. So with the two screws off, we can put that off to the side, and this here just pops off, and to unplug it, we will squeeze the sides. Alright, so it's been a couple of weeks now with this head unit, and so far I'm really liking it. It's responsive, quick, and I'll show you guys how this one works. So right off the bat, this one is very similar to the previous model. The only difference is this area down here. So let's give you guys a quick rundown. You guys can see super smooth. These buttons down here, they all have functions. This one to the far left serves as a back button. This one here has the maps, so as you guys can see, it's super quick. This one here goes to a previous track. This one can be used as power off. If holding it down will power the unit off, as well as pause and the volume up and down. This one skips the track. This one goes to the music, and then this one here is the EQ. All the good stuff. And as you guys can see, it's super quick. Jumping between applications is flawless. Now I'm going to connect my phone and show you guys how CarPlay works. Just like that, we are connected. And then clicking the car takes you back into the head unit of the car. And that takes you back to home. you guys can see, it works super quick, very responsive. So that's the CarPlay. Next up down here, we do have the file manager where we can look through all of our files. We also have Bluetooth music if you want to connect to your phone. And then in here, we can also add any other application. We've got the Play Store, Maps, Phone, that's the EQ, File Explorer, and then we have settings up here. General, it's all very customizable. I stick with this color here as it matches my interior, as well as those lights on dash. Factory settings here is 126. More customizable settings. You guys can see here, as well as the boot logo. We can import our own logo for the startup, as well as the boot animation. I have yet to try this out, but it's good to have that. Very, very customizable. Personal and system. Also got the updater here, which we can check for updates. This here, if we want to connect a front camera. These are some of the applications I had installed. Netflix works flawlessly. I do have this HD car recorder, and this works in the background. And you guys can take a look at this footage. So that's that recording app. And then I also have Torque. If you get their OBD2 scanner, this comes in very handy. We can connect to the vehicle. And in here we can go to fault codes, scan for codes. We can also go here, all the real-time details on our vehicle. Got the coolant up here, speed, the revs. And here we can add our own displays. We have our catalytic converter temperatures, bank 1, bank 2, a ton of displays, and we can add those to the screen here. We can also do vehicle tests. Overall, a very great tool to have on the road. Also, to show you guys that camera that we got. Very nice, good quality. Also, before I forget, it does come with a couple of different themes you can select from. But this one here is my favorite. I like the way it's styled down here, and here's all this. Super responsive, quick. And so yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a like and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you all in the next one.